Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Fortnite settings. First, launch Fortnite and navigate to the main lobby. Once there, locate the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open the side menu. From this menu, select the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This will take you to the in-game settings interface, where you can begin adjusting your preferences. Within the Settings menu, you'll find various tabs like Video, Game UI, and Controls. To reset a specific category, simply click on its tab. Look for a Reset button, often located at the bottom or side of the Settings panel for that particular section. Clicking this button will revert all options within that tab to their default values. This is a quick and easy way to fix issues without affecting other settings. For a more comprehensive reset, you might need to access your game files. Close Fortnite completely. Then, navigate to your app data folder, typically found by typing %local app data % into your Windows search bar. Inside, locate the Fortnite game folder, then Saved, then Config, and finally Windows Client. Here, you'll find configuration files, deleting or renaming the game user settings. Ini file will force Fortnite to create a fresh, default version upon next launch, effectively resetting everything. After performing a reset, relaunch Fortnite to confirm that your settings have reverted to their defaults. You can quickly check key areas like your resolution or control bindings. Remember, it's always a good practice to make a backup of your game user settings. Ini file before deleting it, just in case you want to restore your previous setup. Enjoy your fresh start and optimized gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.